Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters, introducing another Cybertruck product. I love my Cybertruck. One thing I don't love about it though is the rear view mirror situation. The factory mirror, let's face it, it's useless. You can't see through the back, even with the tonneau down. So all you're left with is this small little section on the screen. And love it or hate it, if I put the turn signal on, it moves over there. I don't even have a full view of what's behind me. And it's really not in my field of view. When I'm looking out here driving, I've spent my life conditioned to look up here at a rear view mirror. Now we have a solution for you. This is our digital rear view screen. This is a DIY installation. You take the factory rear view mirror off, install our digital screen, and you route a camera, which goes up through the headliner and mounts on back of the top of the rear tonneau mount. We have a full DIY video, walks you through how to do it. You can do it at home. No cutting, drilling, anything like that. Just route that camera back here. We bolt the screen up here, and now we have a high resolution, true looking rear view mirror, and it's because it's a digital camera. This is also going to give you a forward facing camera, which is mounted up here on the windshield. You can use that if you want to do screen recording like a dash cam. This will set up to automatically record just like the Tesla does, but it's a secondary option, and you don't have to do the screen recording. You can turn that off. But this is adjustable in brightness. If you want to record things like that, you can personalize this. But what a great option. This gives me a full safety of a digital rear view mirror in my Cybertruck. Okay, everybody, hopefully you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Come back soon because we've got a lot more upgrades for Cybertruck coming your way.